Hey guys, welcome to Overland AZ. I'm Josh, and today we're taking a look at a great product from our friends at Overland Expedition Specialists. These replacement rooftop tent side straps are designed to replace your existing or failing Velcro side straps that came with your rooftop tent. These include a heavy-duty buckle that's designed to hold more weight and take more force than what the Velcro is capable of holding on its own. This is a really easy upgrade, and we're gonna walk you through how quickly you can change these out. This is gonna be a huge benefit for anyone who likes to keep additional gear inside the rooftop tent, such as bedding or pillows. Now, you don't wanna overstress the hinges on the tent, but this is going to allow you to keep more gear inside of your tent without the Velcro coming loose. The first thing that we're gonna do is get our cover taken off the top of our rooftop tent so we can access and remove the existing side straps. Now that we have the cover pulled away from the top of the tent, we're simply going to take a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 3 screws on each of the holding plates on the side of the tent to remove the existing straps. Now you can see that our Velcro straps are still holding, but there are times when we have our sleeping gear stored up in here that it just pulls up enough on this that the Velcro gives way. So we're replacing with these buckles to help hold this down and keep this more secure while we're driving on the trail or on the highway. Now that your old strap is out, you're going to take your new strap, use the existing brackets and screws that came with your tent, and just put those onto this new strap and tighten everything down. Now we can simply adjust the strap for the tension that we want to be on the tent to hold it firmly in place. We're going to repeat the same process for the other side of the tent to get both of these installed. Once you have both sides installed and your tension adjusted where you'd like it, you're done. Go ahead and throw the cover back on and take these out and enjoy them. I think this is a great upgrade from the Velcro that comes on most of the tents. And with the Velcro, if that Velcro fails and the tent starts lifting up, that's putting stress on the cover, and that's not really where you want to have stress, especially when you're going 65, 70 miles an hour down the highway or bumping down a really rough trail. So this is a really nice addition, and I think this is going to help our tent last even longer than it has already. Thank you guys so much for following along on this review video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to us on YouTube for future review videos on other products that we use and new gear that we add to our Jeep. And if you're in Arizona, check us out on Facebook at Overland AZ. We have a great group for our local Overlanders to have discussion and come hang out on the trail with like-minded people. Thank you guys for watching.